Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I am pretty excited to do this video. I have a friend that watches my channel and she's just amazing. She sent me Aussie Floetrol. Now this is expensive. This probably cost, I'm guessing, probably $75 with shipping to ship this 1 liter bottle of Aussie Floetrol to Canada. I just cannot thank her enough. Thank you so much. I'm not going to mention her name because she does comment on my videos and stuff like that, but what a sweetheart. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I am not going to waste a single drop of this stuff. So I'm going to try today. Let me just show you this one. This guy this is American Floetrol, or the Floetrol I can get in Canada. This stuff right here, the label in front, best bet. So this is what you get trying to do a balloon with the American Floetrol, or in Canada, this Floetrol. This painting is done with 3 ounces of Floetrol and a teaspoon of Minwax wood conditioner mixed in, and a hefty tablespoon of titanium white Amsterdam paint. That's what's mixed in to make that cell activator. Let me put this away. So for this video, I'm going to do one with 100% Aussie juice and Payne's Gray Amsterdam is what my cell activator is going to be. So this is 100% Aussie juice right here. And then my second painting, I am going to do the same Payne's Gray from the Amsterdam Standard Series. It's 1.5 ounces of the Aussie juice and 1.5 ounces of the Flood with a hefty tablespoon of the Payne's Gray paint. Let's just see if there is a difference in these paintings. I can't wait to try this. Alright, so let me put my expensive Aussie juice away so I don't spill it. Let's put it down here for now. My Flood can go down here too. Alright. Let me just, where am I going to put my paints? Over here. So the paints I'm using are some of the little piggies. This little piggy, this one's a shimmer, Lakeside, and this one is the Sangria. It's this purple right here. It's a gorgeous purple. I don't know if you can see how well that, but it's just gorgeous. It's a shimmery purple. I've mixed that with the Sangria, little piggy, and the Dioxide purple from Liquitex Basics. So that's the colors we're going to use. Shimmer. The pink I didn't tell you about. The pink is Quinacridone Rose Light, Standard Series from Amsterdam. And the base is going to be my standard house paint. Okay, I think I got everything covered. Let's do this. This is a 7-inch round, and then I also have an 8-inch round. So 2 paintings we're going to do. Let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back that are my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me. All the comments, all the thumbs up, please keep them coming. And thank you to Robin for mentioning to me on my last video that my comments for some reason were turned off. So she rescued me there by messaging me to say, hey, how come your next videos doesn't allow comments? So I fixed that, so you can now comment on that one if you like as well. Okay, Greg, hit the music, hon. Let's have some fun.
Travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down, I be Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding, seen many souls, many holy. Remember their faces and hope. Oh, till we meet again, oh. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest, the blessed Midwest. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest, the blessed Midwest. didn't see you enter. I didn't hear you knocking at my door. Somehow you found a way to tether. You dropped your anchor down into my soul. Oh, oh, oh. You showed up uninvited. I was caught off guard, I was unexpected. But now I see you, there's nowhere to hide. I'm gonna chase you down, not gonna lose this fight. And the years that you've stolen, I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that have weighed me down. Oh, I know I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm pushing it a lot ahead, and it feels good. There's no escaping, you've been fine.